Hey, I'm walking up on one of my home sites right now. This is the Lincoln floor plan, 324 Serengeti, lot 629. This is one that actually sold to a client and he is building. So we're going to go in and check out the progress they've made. It's got a 2-car garage. It will be delivered to him unfinished, but they will put up the sheetrock and everything. Ooh, nice. Little bathroom off to the side. This is where his office will be. Kitchen, island area. Sweet. I don't know. Can I go up the stairs? Okay. Sweet. Bathroom. Washer and dryer. The loft area will be here. Bedroom. Bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Gosh, everything is so well built. So nice. I love seeing the bones of the house before the sheetrock goes up. Sweet. Walk-in closets. Oh, I gotta go because my clients are ready. Okay.